Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel an auto deposit on RBC. All right, let's begin. First, open your RBC online banking or mobile app and log into your account. From the main dashboard, tap on Move Money. Next, select Send and Interact e-transfer and then navigate to the History tab. Here you will see a list of past and pending transfers. Find the auto deposit you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. You will see an option labeled Cancel Transfer. Tap on it and you will be prompted to select where you want the funds to be returned. Choose the preferred account, then tap Cancel Now to confirm. Once completed, tap Finish to finalize the process. The funds will be returned to your selected account and the auto deposit will be canceled successfully. So that's basically how you can cancel an auto deposit on RBC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.